Hey everybody, it's Mr. Foster, and I am shooting a quick tutorial on how to make a project in Google Earth. I'm shooting this video versus just showing you online because it's difficult to use Google Earth and Zoom at the same time. So I wanted to have this video ready for you so you could watch this tutorial on your own and then give this a shot. What we're going to do is we're going to make a project today in Google Earth, and we've never made a project before, but we're going to give it a shot today. We just learned the four places within Latin America: Mexico, Central America, the Caribbean islands, and then also South America. We're going to make a project in Google Earth that's going to show those four places. Okay? So we are in Google Earth. We already have this launched. We are over here in the Western Hemisphere. And our Western Hemisphere includes Canada, the United States, and then down here, Latin America, which is where our studies move us to. Over here on the left-hand side, this logo right here is the projects logo. I'm going to go ahead and click this, and it's going to kind of open up a projects window here for us. And I want to make a new project, so I want to create. And I want to create the project in Google Drive, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select that. Okay. The first thing that I'm going to want to do is title the project because it's currently untitled. We're going to call it Latin America. Okay. And then we'll come down here, and then that auto saved, and then my title is there. Okay. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding features to this. We're going to add four features: Mexico, Central America, Caribbean islands, and then South America. And this should work pretty well for us. I'm going to click on New Feature. And then I'm going to use this search to add a place. So I'm going to click that. And then I can use this search window up here. So I'm going to start with Mexico. Mexico. And it pulls up Mexico for me. Google Earth is going to move for us. And it's just going to kind of drop us, into Mexico a little bit. But the important thing here is I want to come over here and I want to click Add to Project. So I'm going to click Add to Project. It says Mexico for me. I want to add it to my Latin America project. If I had other projects going, I could do that, but I do want it to Latin America, and I'm just going to hit Save. Okay, so we've got Mexico on there. Now what I want to do is add a new feature. So I'm going to come over here on the left-hand side to Add New Feature, and I want to search to add a place, and I'm going to type in Central America. Our four spots are Central America. I don't want the restaurant. We want Central America. It's a region. Going to click that, and it's going to, Google Earth is going to magically kind of float us a little bit down and over to Central America. Now it does put us in Nicaragua. It's got to kind of put us somewhere, and that's okay. It's got Central America placed here. I'm going to click Add to Project, and we want it within Latin America. I will go ahead and hit Save. Notice I've got Mexico and Central America there. I've got two more to go. New feature. Search to add place, and I'm going to type in Caribbean Islands. Now, just a quick note, and I can go ahead and actually just hit enter here, and it's just going to kind of take us over. I don't need to necessarily make a selection there. So we do have to spell these things correctly, or it might kind of goof things up. Okay. It took this marker and landed us, I believe it was in Cuba before that went away there. So we're in all the Caribbean islands, kind of a really cool view here. We're in the Caribbean. I'm going to go ahead and click Add to Project. And I can even put islands here if I want to. I can add that in. Go ahead and hit Save. I now have three spots here, and I need one more, the continent of South America. Search to add place, South, going to capitalize that, South America. And again, don't need the restaurants, I need the continent, or I could just hit enter. It's probably going to take us there automatically. We'll probably zoom out here. We're going to hit a little southeast. Google Earth, so awesome. And there's South America. And I want to add it to the project. So hit Add Project, South America, perfect. It's going to Latin America, perfect. Hit Save. And there we go. I've got Mexico, Central America, the Caribbean islands, and South America. This is auto-saving as we go. Now the cool thing that we can do here is go into present mode now that we have built this, now that we've kind of built this tour, built this project. I can go ahead and I can hit present. And notice down here, this is the important thing. Here's our table of contents. Mexico, Central America, the Caribbean, and South America. And I can just use this arrow to go from one region within Latin America to the next. Remember, there's 4 regions within Latin America: Mexico, Central America, the Caribbean islands, and South America. And Google Earth will just kind of automatically take me to those. I can zoom in and out if I want to. I can go all the way down into Street View even if I want to. I mean, we can go as in or as out as we want to. Notice that equator line, everybody. Notice the line of the equator. That divides our Earth into 2 hemispheres, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Get to know that equator line, and I can kind of travel anywhere I want to within this project. So hopefully that helped. Your job now is to do the same. I want you to use this video as you do build your project. You can pause and you can rewind and you can kind of do whatever you want. At the end of our time here, maybe 10, 20 minutes or so, we want to have a project built that showcases the 4 regions of Latin America. Good luck, and as always, reach out for help, and using Google Earth is definitely awesome.